I'm here for the grand opening of Mickey's and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and I'm super excited for this ride where you are immersed in the world of Mickey and Minnie and Goofy and Chewy. So come join the adventures here. I can't wait to check it out. My name is Crystal, and let's get started.
Now, let's
my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now.
ever do. Here we are.
So I just got off the ride of Mickey's and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and it was super much fun. As you can tell, I'm all dressed up and excited to join in on the fun. So it is just a really cool experience. It's a trackless type of ride, kind of like Rise of the Resistance, but with its own spin. And it's fun for all the ages, so I highly recommend it. I haven't been on a ride like that before, which amazes me that Disney keeps doing that more and more. So make sure you tune in for the next video, and I'll see you soon.